Needless to say, colors constitute an important element when it comes to highlighting certain aspects of the information, and in Excel, logically, we would expect nothing less. Let's see a couple of tools that allow us to alter the default black and white colors of the spreadsheets that we build. For example, here are some columns that we would like to highlight and fill the background of the columns with a particular color. In order to do this, we have the tool Fill Color, which is this drop-down button that we can apply to the one that is selected at the time, which is the last one we clicked on, in this case the yellow. Or we could even highlight any column by selecting any fill color from the ones we have here. We would normally use light colors, and they will serve to highlight or differentiate certain aspects of our spreadsheet. A different matter is the color of the font itself in which the data is written. Currently, it is black, which is the default color, but I could change it to any other one. I could say that the font color, which is represented by this icon right here, I could make it, for example, red. That action alone will help me draw attention to it in case I want to check said data later on. This technique could be used on many occasions. To give it a particular text a different color or hue, whatever it might be. We could even use some blue, for example. Another idea would be coloring a whole line of titles at once, which would make that data appear as if it is more relevant. If we happen to use a brighter blue here, that would make it match with the blue below. Overall, this is another way we can use in order to make our spreadsheets more elegant and stylish. See you all in the next lesson.